Hey guys, it's Tracy with the Y. Thank you for watching. I am doing a quick kiss and a promise on my living room area rug. This rug's huge. It gets lots of traffic. We have 3 dogs and 3 cats. So it's hard to keep clean, especially in the springtime with all the rain. So I just recorded a few little spots where you can see it's really bad, discolored. I did learn how to put it in high-speed mode, rabbit mode. So here, if you watch, about after 3 or 4 passes, it literally turns white. I just got home from work. I'm back at the pool store full time now. That was Romulus jumping off the couch. But anyways, so I was kind of in a hurry. James went to Rio to get, Juju had surgery yesterday, so he was going to drive down there and get him and then come back. So I thought, you know what, I can clean this rug in less than 40 minutes. So got my rug doctor out. There's Romulus again. I turn off the cleaner and do an up close. You can really tell. Actually, you can really tell if you look. Here I go. Look at that. Ah! My carpet was so dirty. Anyways, and the rug doctor, I've had it for years. I really like it. I just don't like shampooing carpets. I'd really rather take this out in my garage, really clean it, saturate it, and let it dry. Because I hate that smell of like wet carpet that when you have pets. I hate that smell. It stinks. Even though it's clean, it stinks. So, anyways, I had the rug doctor, and in the mixture, I did a Tide Pod. So, sorry, I had to pause for a second. Anyway, so I just did this real quick. It took me about 40 minutes, maybe a little less, to do. I did learn how to speed up my videos so they're not so long. I just Googled it. I should have done that all along. Anyway, so we're cleaning. I think I told you this was my rug doctor and what chemicals I used. I did spot clean the carpet with a Shout and a scrub brush. I think it's made by Lidman, maybe. I don't know. I got it at Walmart. I also had some rug doctor carpet spray. I think Shout works the best. I really like Full X from Amazon too. It does a good job. I probably go over each spot 3 times. I think I was saying earlier that I like to take it out to the garage and let it, so I can really clean it really good and let it air dry out there and then bring it back in the next day with fans on it. That's what I prefer to do, but it wasn't happening on this day. I was home alone, so I did have to empty once and do another half a thing of solution because I only had a little corner to do. And I did go back over some of the spots that weren't real clean when I did my final video. When I ended it, I went back over a couple spots a bit more. This rug is a really nice rug. It's good quality. I think where James bought this from. Can't remember. If I remember, I'll add it towards the end. But it cleans really good too. It's just with it being off-white, it's just really hard to keep clean. And that center section does have like a cream color to it. See how it's really white? And then you see the red. And in the center, it's made like that. It's not actually stained. But the ends and the corners, they are supposed to be like a really lightweight color. I love to watch carpet cleaning, power washing. To me, it's just so satisfying. Full-time now, so not that I was recording that much anyways, but I'm back to work. And Romulus has been coming with me every day. He really likes it. He does really well potty training at the pool store. At home, I think it's because he has full rain at the house. He struggles a little bit. Sorry guys, I keep getting interrupted when I'm doing this voiceover. So I know where I was at. But I will say thank you all for subscribing. I do need a lot of watch hours. I think I have like 200 videos. So just put them on your TV and let them play. You don't have to listen to them. A lot of times when I'm working around the house, I'll put a YouTube video on and I'll let it play the whole way through. And then it just goes to the next one. And that helps that YouTuber out. And I will stop and watch randomly, but anyways, it just helps people out if you have to have like 1,000 subscribers to get monetized and 4,000 hours. And I hardly have any hours. And you lose them after, I think a year it starts over or something. So I was really close in the hours, but or at least halfway. Now I'm not. I'm not doing well. But I am back to work, so I'm not for sure how much more I'll be videoing. I've been trying to do shorter clips. I need to do some cooking videos because I have been in the carnivore diet. If you guys have ever done that, let me know down below. If you have any questions, comment. I do show you the dirty water, and it literally looked like mud. It was bad. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, subscribing, helping me out. I would love to get monetized soon, but I'm not sure how soon it will happen. Call me a miracle. How about that? You can see Romulus running around. He was bored because Gigi was at the vet. Anyways, to me this is a really satisfying video because you can really tell the difference. But the rub bucket is kind of loud. It's part of the downfall to this thing. It's loud. But it does a really good job, and you can see it in the video. So what I did was, after the video was over, after it ended here, I went back and went over the few spots that were stains. I went over those again. No, I didn't record it, but I went over it, so I thought Romulus was going to put it in. That's right. Because he would clean the rug. He was a little boy. He wasn't know any better. I think this is the very end. I think. So there was a really bad stain right there. I keep going over it. I think I got all of it. I Also, if you have any suggestions on the video you'd like me to record, comment down below. Thank you for watching. Here I'm doing a little close-up. See, the center is yellow. It's made that way. But the ends are supposed to be white. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.